In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Retool table to CSV. If you've ever needed to quickly move data from your Retool app into a spreadsheet or share it with someone who doesn't use Retool, exporting to a CSV file is a simple and reliable way to do it. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a plain text format that works with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and most data platforms. First, make sure you're in the Retool editor with your app open. Click on the table component you want to export. Selecting the table makes its header and toolbar options easy to access, and it ensures you're working with the correct dataset, especially if your app has multiple tables. You'll typically see the table's header at the top of the component, showing column names and action icons. Next, look for the download or export icon in the table's header or toolbar. It usually looks like a downward-facing arrow, and it's often located toward the right side of the table header. Depending on your configuration or theme, the icon might be labeled or just an icon, but it serves the same purpose. If your table has custom actions, the export option may appear alongside them. The key is to locate the icon that indicates downloading or exporting. Once you've found it, click the icon and choose Export as CSV, or a similarly named option. Some setups may show a small menu with multiple formats. Choose the CSV option to get a file that opens seamlessly in spreadsheets. If you see choices related to exporting only selected rows or filtered data, keep in mind that CSV exports often reflect what's visible in the table, including sorts and filters. That can be helpful if you only need a specific slice of the data. Confirm your choice, and the export will begin immediately. Your browser will download a .csv file to your default download location. You'll usually see it appear in your download tray, and it may be named after your table or app. From there, you can open it with Excel, Google Sheets, or any text editor. If you're working with special characters or international text, most modern tools will detect the encoding correctly. And if your spreadsheet app shows numbers or dates unexpectedly, you can adjust formatting after opening the file. That's all there is to it. Click the table, use the export icon, select CSV, and let your browser handle the download. With this quick workflow, you can share data, back it up, or analyze it outside of Retool in just a few seconds.